everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be making a burlap wreath. Now this burlap wreath can be used as year-round decor or seasonal decor. If you use it as seasonal decor, you just will add some seasonal elements to make it fit for that season. Now this wreath can also be used indoors or outdoors. It depends on where you want to use it. Now the materials you'll need to make this wreath. You'll need a wire frame. I got that from Dollar Tree. Pipe cleaners, floor wire, 2 burlap ribbon rolls, and scissors. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your burlap ribbon and you're going to fold it in half. So once you fold your burlap ribbon in half, you are going to attach that burlap to the crossbar on the frame. Once you attach your burlap to the frame, you are then going to push up the burlap through the space on the frame, creating your first loop. So you're going to continue the same, creating loops for the next 2 spaces on your wreath frame. So once you finish creating your 3 loops, your first 3 loops, you are going to see where I'm going to twist my burlap at the back of the frame. Now this twist is going to help keep the burlap in place. Some people twist, some people don't. Some people just start with their new loops, but it's up to you. I like to twist mine just to give it more stability. So once you twist the back, your burlap, you can go ahead and start again with your next 3 loops. You're just going to continue the same method until all the spaces are full. When you complete, so you're going to continue this method until the space is full. Now, when you make it halfway around the wreath frame, you may run out of your first roll of burlap. So what you'll do is you'll start with your second roll of burlap and you would attach it to the frame just like you did in the beginning with the first roll. And then you'll just continue making your loops until the whole wreath frame is complete. Once the frame is complete, you may have extra burlap left over. If so, you can cut that burlap, and you'll see this in the video once I speed it up. You'll cut off the excess burlap, you'll fold the cut part, and you'll attach it to the wreath frame because that'll be your final part and that'll be it. So I'm going to speed up the video and you'll be able to see exactly everything I explained, and then I'll come back. Okay, so earlier I know I mentioned about if you had any extra burlap left over that you would cut it and then fold your final piece and add it on to the wreath frame. As you can see here, I don't have any extra burlap, so I'm just going to make my loops until all of it is complete, and then I'll go ahead and attach my final piece of burlap to the back of the wreath frame, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love the way this burlap wreath came out. It's so pretty. You can do so many things with this wreath. You can leave it indoors for decor, outdoors. You can do so much with it. I look forward to see you guys in the next video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that when I do post again, you'll be the first to get notification. Also, you guys, comment down below to let me know that you're loving my tutorials. That gives me motivation to keep going and to keep posting, you guys. And I'm also trying to get on track where I can do some lives, because I would like y'all to see my face and I want to hear some of you guys comment. So, okay, you guys, I'll see y'all next time. Bye bye. Enjoy.